This is a Marada that came in. When you tried to turn it over, the starter was locked up, or the engine was locked up, and it was trying to break the starter bolts. You can see it's pretty well bent. This is a starter, and you can see where it's been rubbing because that's not originally in the starter mating services. So we tried to turn it over with the new starter, and it was locked up. So we pulled the spark plugs, and we haven't tried to turn it over since then. But I'm going to stand back because I'm fully expecting that water is going to come rushing out of one of these cylinders. Go ahead and just bump it a little bit. Oh. Ooh, nice rusty water out of all three of them. Do it again. Do it again. And do it again. Okay, I guess that's really all we need to... Funny thing is, after it sits just a second, seems like all of it's out. It accumulates some more. So I'm not quite sure where this project's going.